Hi, so this video is about setting up your Raspberry Pi Pico development environment in Ubuntu and running an example program of blinking. So let's start. First of all, we can go to the website and download a PDF on how to do this. You can go to their web page and go for documentation and download a PDF. Here are microcontrollers, and then Pico and W. Here we can go and download. We can get stub files, design file. I need a design file. I'm taking it for later, not right now. And then I need a documentation page. Getting started with Pico. Going to getting started with Pico. This is the PDF. We can download this and use it. It's like my internet is a little bit slow. Okay, this is what we need. I'm gonna download this. Yeah, I'm gonna download this to documents. Yeah, sure. Save. I have it downloaded. Okay. Documents. Oops. Okay, so we have it. Okay, close. Close this. Okay. So for quick setup, you can see here for quick setup we have to get the setup script, and then all we have to do is run the script. That's all. All right. Then reboot. But this is actually meant for Raspberry to install in Raspberry, but we can do it in Ubuntu too. Not a big deal. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, I'll create a folder here. In desktop, we can create a folder. dir project. We want to create a project folder. Ct project folder and go to project. Okay, here we are in project folder. Now we can go ahead and download the script. Copy. Okay, so we can see we have the script here. I got as such, and I'm gonna convert this into an executable. Plus X script. It has become an executable. I'm going to give it a permission. It's not necessary, but I'm going to give permission. You want to search, enter. Now it's getting whatever it needs, and I'll pause the video here and continue once it's completed. Okay. As you can see, it's completed. We've run the script and it's completed setting up. Here you can see there is a CMake error saying protocol lib USB is not found, because we won't be able to find this because this is meant for Raspberry Pi and we are running Ubuntu on a PC. So that's okay, that's not a problem. Everything else is done. Now we can go ahead and check what we have here. We have pico, that's where everything is set up. Pico. So we have examples, extras, playground, and all the other stuff. We can go ahead. We can look into the PDF for quick start guide, and then see how to run a program. You don't have to reboot. Mm, yeah, we did all this. We did the examples. We have it. That's what our script did. This is all the stuff that script did. It created a folder pico, and then installed all the dependencies, and then it downloaded SDK examples, extras, and all the folders we saw, and then it defined everything it need, and it built the examples for us. We can go ahead and check those out. Then it did some configurations, which this configuration obviously failed. UART and USB. We don't have to worry. Now we can go ahead and install these. You might need build essentials and CMake. We don't have CMake installed, so we need all that. So for that, Control C, set terminal right here. I'm gonna run that. So we have already installed newest version. CMake is already the newest version. Okay, we have everything. We don't have to worry. I think our script did that too, because this was a fresh install and I haven't installed CMake. Next is updating the SDK. We don't need to update the SDK. We can work with what we have now. Now we are going to run an example program that blink LED and see. We can see that in the examples that appear here. Yeah, examples. And then blink. We can see the blink.c. I'll show you blink.c. Blink.c. Vim is not installed. Okay, I have to install Vim. We have a small file that can be downloaded and installed. Having this installed, so now I'll open it. Yeah, here you can see there's a main function, and we've declared it as default pin, and we have pico standard lib.h for all the macros and any configuration setup. While true, we are going to GPIO output LED pin 1, which is high, and then we're going to sleep for 250 milliseconds, and then we turn it off by writing it low, and then there is a delay. Okay, so we can go ahead and run this. Then go to the back folder. There is a build folder, cd build. Folder. Okay, in build we can move to link. This is already built for us in the script, or else you can do a CMake build, and then it will be we'll rebuild this after changing the code later. First of all, we can see if our pico board works. This is the file we need. This is the binary. We can go ahead and see how to do that. I think all you have to do is copy paste the UF2 file to mass storage. Yeah, use as mass storage. We can drag and drop it into the device. Okay, we can do that right now. I'll switch to camera so that you can see what I'm doing. While plugging in, while plugging in into mass storage, all you have to do is press the boot cell button and then plug it in. So I press the boot cell and now I'm plugging in, and then released. We can see, yeah, we got the devices RPi2 here. You can see RPi2 is here. We have it. So now I'm gonna copy our file here. Okay, so copy wd. Okay, this is our working directory. Now I'll go here and open another terminal and cp. I should say, and then our file is bling.uf2, right? Bling.uf2 and here. Okay, so we did copy the file, and here the LED is blinking. I'll show you in camera. Here you can see after copying the uf2 file, LED is blinking. Now we can go ahead and make some changes in the code and see if it reflects. This is not the terminal. Okay. Okay, we can edit the blink.c to make some changes. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a small change here. I'm gonna write this as to 1 second, and then I'm gonna make it like 5 seconds or something. Okay, I think we can change this ms to another function that's recognized under std lib.h, but we can do that later. Right now, just for testing purpose, we can move on. Thank you. It changed. No, it's not changed. That is a problem. Okay, I can do this. Let's see. Now I have the permission. this. Okay. Okay. I can see it's changed. Yeah, we have done it. We changed it. I'll go back to the build folder, cd space, build, and then do cmake. Cmake dash dash. Okay, my bad. Dash dash. Module population incomplete error permission denied. Okay, initially we didn't have permission, but with permission we can run it. I don't know why they blocked all the permissions. Okay, unrecognized command. How is that possible? Oh, my bad, I forgot to mention cmake. So it should be cmake. Okay, now we're building. Probably this takes some time. So I'll. Oh no, it's fast. Right? Yeah, it's fast. No, it's not. Okay, this will take some time. We'll continue once it's done. Actually, we can decrease the runtime build time. Actually, this is building everything in the script. We only need a blink to be built. But I guess this CMake structure, it runs every other code in the subdirectories. So as of now, this is building each and every directory in the pico directory folder. Okay, so I'll pause here and come back later. You can see now it's built. Now it's done building. Now we can go ahead and copy all the files to cd space link. Here we have the new file which is just built right now. I'll go ahead and copy this to wd. And then cp uf2 here, right, and enter. Okay, we've successfully made the change. Here it blinks for 1 second and then wait for 5 seconds. I'll show you one video. So you can see it's waiting for 5 seconds and then it blinks for 1 second and then again waits for 5 seconds, blinks for 1 second. So that's it for this video. I'll see you later with some interesting projects or more tutorial videos.